Hi, my name's Terese. I live on a farm northwest of Edmonton, Alberta, close to Barrhead, Alberta in Canada. I just recently got back from Guadalajara, Mexico, or more specifically Zapopan, where I had surgery with Dr. Rene de la Rosa. I had surgery on my left shoulder, on my rotator cuff. In late spring, I was outside on our farm and I tripped and fell hard to the frozen ground, and I had some tears in some muscles in the tendons in my left shoulder. Due to the long wait times for surgery here in Alberta and it being difficult to fix the longer you wait, my husband suggested that I explore Mexico for surgery, which I did. I did some online research, spoke with a couple different surgeons, and then spoke with Dr. Rene de la Rosa through a video chat. I felt very comfortable with him. The hospital he uses is part of the Mayo network of clinics and hospitals, and Dr. Rene de la Rosa has more than 20 years of experience as an orthopedic surgeon. During the surgery, I felt very comfortable in the hospital. Dr. Rene came and spoke with me along with the anesthesiologist, so they made me feel very comfortable. After leaving the hospital, I did have a little trouble with the anesthesia and the sedation. I think just feeling a little nauseous for a little while. Dr. Rene was great and found an anti-nausea medication that worked wonderfully to me and got me back on my way to feeling better. As far as an improved quality of life, I can feel it's coming. On a farm, you need the use of your arms, both of them. And I didn't have that. I had very limited movement in my left arm, but now I can feel it's coming back. I had to keep it immobile for a while, but now I'm able to start moving it around a little more. Do I recommend this? I do. It can get you back on, recovering right away without having to wait for a long period of time, and you can feel very confident and very comfortable in using Dr. Rene de la Rosa. He is an excellent surgeon, and I also recommend, if you go to Guadalajara or Zapopan area, to use Casa Galicia as a recovery house. It is worth every penny. They take excellent care of you and treat you just fantastically with transportation to and from the airport, to and from the hospital, anything you need. So highly recommend it. Overall, good experience. And I also went by myself. They were excellent in taking care of me and made me feel very comfortable. So highly recommend it.